The this keyword refers to the current instance of the class. It is used inside non-static methods, constructors, and property setters. It helps to distinguish between instance fields and parameters when they have the same name. It can also be used even if there is no naming conflict, to make the code more readable or consistent. It allows access to the current object's members. It can also be used to call another constructor within the same class. The this keyword cannot be used in static methods because static methods do not belong to any specific instance. It is also used to return the current object from a method, enabling method chaining, where multiple method calls can be linked together on the same object.